Now being loaded, all set, racing just is started. We observe Bay break quickly at a start. Moving up, Gifted Champ, and on the outside, My Ray. In the middle portion now is Queen's King. Down on the inside, Treasure Deck. Then next online is Viva Bola. Hurricane Ali comes next. GI Speedball Grand Sensation, while My Bukas pa is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn. We have Sir Bay by about 6 lengths, and in second now is Gifted Champ. Down on the inside, third is Treasure Deck. Next online, Viva Bola, Queen's King, then followed over by Hurricane Ali. My Ray comes next, GI Speedball, May Bukas pa, while Grand Sensation now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Sir Bay maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Gifted Champ remains in second. Moving up now on the outside, Queen's King. Hurricane Ali is lifting down on the inside. Treasure Deck is down in fifth. Then next online is Viva Bola, My Ray, then GI Speedball, May Bukas pa. And a long way back to Grand Sensation, who's racing in less. And as they swing for home, we observe Bay. Queen's King is on the outside. Treasure Deck is down on the inside. Gifted Champ, Hurricane Ali also moving up. Last 100 meters. Serbay, Treasure Deck, Serbay, Treasure Deck moves up to take the lead, and final it's going to be Treasure Deck, Serbay, Gifted Champ, Queen's King, Hurricane Ali, and Viva Bola for your Super 6.
1, 3, 4, 6, 10, 9.